created. So, in the spot where Saldus town resides today, once was a large hill and enchanted palace. The ruler of the castle was an influential and very powerful man, and his castle an accessible stronghold. However, during one evening, an old wizard, even older wizard, was making his way passing by the castle. He was looking for a shelter for the night.
Hello. Can I have a night spent here?
But the ruler unscrupulously, without any remorse, said,
No.
Please.
I mean, the old wizard was not about to give up for one try, and he persistently tried again.
I'm so tired.
I mean, how can you say
No.
to such a lovely man? But also lovely and old wizards have their limits of patience, and he decided to put a spell to a castle.
Abracadabra, make the castle go down!
I mean, this was the first spell that came to his mind, but it seems that it worked.
Night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you.
Castle drawn together with its people, taking with it also the official name of the town, like Titanic. After thousands of years, on the top of the hill and near the unknown castle, a small boy tended his pigs. Or shall I say one thing? Suddenly, the wind got stronger, and in front of the boy, a fancy missus showed up. She took an opportunity to invite the boy inside to get warmer. Reckless young boy left his pigs behind and went after her.
I will show you the
They went to the cave and the fancy lady treated him with food and sweet drinks.
And I hear more. Drink all of it, all of it.
The boy was unstoppable. He kept eating and drinking, while his town really wondered where he was.
This is the secret. This is the secret. Cave, you know that. Don't tell anyone.
At some point, boy had to go home.
Oh, I'm leaving. Oh.
When he got home, all he could say and reply to the questions where he was
Saldo A, saldo D, saldo enormous guy.
and it means I ate sweet, I drank sweet, and I even washed my mouth in sweet. And as the boy spoke these words, the hill exploded and the new town rose